Good morning, plungers. Oh, we're looking at 39 degrees. It's supposed to be pretty warm today, but I'm getting my butt up and we're getting in the plunge this morning. It's about 8 a.m. Had a late start to work today, so we're getting the plunge in. Oh, I don't want to do this right now. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ooh, just shake it out. Oh, shake the heebie-jeebies. Who needs caffeine when you get a polar plunge? Hey. Okay. Deep breath. Another deep breath. Yeah, we have a high of 47 today. It's gonna feel like spring, and then next week it's gonna get cold again. Today we got kind of a lighter day. I'm gonna go canvassing. I think maybe solo, just hanging up door hangers for painting. Maybe, hopefully, I got one person that's gonna go with me, but. Still trying to figure that out. And then I have an estimate in Stillwater at 2 p.m. for a nice little interior project. And then probably send that out, be done for the day around 3:30, and hitting the store. I'm making some chili tonight. I made a loaf of sourdough this week, so I want to make some chili to eat with the bread. So I have I don't know, it's like a bean potato, sweet potato, chili. So yeah, that will be mighty tasty. Oh, it's gonna feel so good to get this plunge done right away in the morning. Slept in this morning till about 7:15, 7:30. That felt nice. And now here I am. I am gonna pop in the shower though after this. I'm not gonna let my body warm up naturally. I'm gonna do a little cheating, but that's okay. And I'm only doing 3 minutes today. Just don't have the mindset or really wanna take the time to do it. Go any longer. It's cold in here. I kind of thought it might be a little warmer because it's been warmer this week, but obviously it was a little colder last night, and it's 39 in here, and it's cold. My fingers are feeling it. Fingers are feeling it. Toes not too bad, but my fingers, ooh. Another day, another plunge, baby. Okay, that's 3. I'm dunking. I'm done. Namaste, plungers. Oh, man. Okay, we're done. Let's go. Come on. Great way to start the day.
Good morning, plungers. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. 36 currently, high of 47. It is going to be a nice day. Sunny. Got a little warm spell, an actual warm spell coming through here. Not 20 degrees compared to negative 20 degrees. An actual 40 degree, feels like spring, warm spell. Alrighty, looks like Joe took out the pump. So we have more room in there. We are right at 38. Nice. That'll feel a little chilly. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice. A little bit easier to get positioned in here without that pump right in the back. So that's going to be a nice thing about this warm spell that we got. We probably won't need to have the pump plugged in, and so save us some room. Make it a little bit more comfy in here, like at the spa. All right. Brr. Brr. Chile. Chile. So I was throwing together yesterday's video, and while I was doing that, I actually looked up the real quote about the frog, because I totally butchered it yesterday. Apparently it's a Mark Twain quote. It goes like this: if it is your job to eat a frog every day, it's best you do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs every day, it's best that you start with the biggest one. So that's the real quote. I just wanted to say the real thing, and yeah, because yesterday it was like, I mean, the point got across, but I didn't really say it right, so I thought I'd correct myself. But yeah, it's true, and it's been nice, you know, getting in the tub first thing every day, because in a sense it is the frog that I have to eat each day. You know, every day I've committed to taking an ice bath, a cold plunge, so every day that's my frog that I have to eat. And you can either eat it first thing in the morning and get it out of the way, or eat it later in the day and you're thinking about it all day. So it's all just about procrastination and doing hard things, and not waiting, not prolonging, and just getting the hard things and the important things out of the way sooner rather than later. Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful day. I am excited. It is going to feel like spring, which is going to suck, because then I'm going to realize it's still only January and spring isn't for another couple of months. But still nice. Nonetheless, it'll still be nice. Gonna do some disc golf later, hopefully, after I do some things for work. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Just like that, we've eaten the frog. So thanks for tuning in, as always. Don't forget to do something hard today, and do it right away. We'll see you guys tomorrow.